To apply for Calfresh online, follow these steps. Visit the Calfresh website. Go to the official Calfresh website for California. The website is typically managed by California Department of Social Services. Create an account. If you don't already have an account, you may need to create one on the website. This account allows you to start and manage your Calfresh application. Complete the online application. Log into your account and complete the online Calfresh application. Provide accurate and detailed information about your household, income and expenses. Submit supporting documents. Upload any required supporting documents such as proof of income, residence, and identification. These documents may vary based on your specific situation. Review and submit. Review the application carefully to ensure all information is accurate. Once satisfied, submit the application. Wait for verification. After submitting, the information will be reviewed by the appropriate authorities. You may be contacted for additional information or an interview. Receive notification. You will be notified of the decision on your Calfresh application. If approved, you will receive an electronic benefit transfer card for purchasing eligible food items.